What's up, everybody? This is Eric the Tech Preacher. So I get a lot of comments about this. Easy, if you had a choice between getting the Galaxy S20 FE or getting the LG Velvet 5G, which one would you pick? You know, I get a lot of people ask me that question. So in this video, I'm going to give you my pick on which device that I'm going to pick and why. Sit back and relax, get your popcorn ready, and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So the LG Velvet, one of my favorite phones. The Galaxy S20 FE, another one of my favorite phones. Look, both of these devices is so-called mid-tier devices. I beg to differ though, but let's go to get into it. The Galaxy S20 FE have the Snapdragon 865 processor. We got 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage. We got SD card support. You got a 6.5-inch 1080p plus display, which is 120 hertz. You got triple cameras in the back, which is outstanding. You got all the bells and whistles, 4,500 milliamp battery on this device. In the used market, you could get the Galaxy S20 FE for about $430 to $450, or you can get it brand new for $550 to $599. Listen, that is a steal for this device. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about the LG Velvet. LG Velvet got a 6.8-inch display, got a Snapdragon 765G processor. We got 6 gigs of RAM in this one, 128 gigs of storage, SD card support. You got a beautiful design device, got triple cameras on the back. You got a 4,300 milliamp battery on this one. So when it comes down to the specs, the Galaxy S20 FE will win hands down. All right, so let's go to talk about build quality and design. Both of these devices look different. You got a plastic build on the Galaxy S20 FE versus an all beautiful glass build on the LG Velvet. Look, man, when it comes down to the design, I would definitely give it to the LG Velvet because the LG Velvet is absolutely gorgeous. But if you put a case on both of these devices, it will cover up the beauty anyway. But if you put a clear case on any one of these devices, I will tell you that the LG Velvet will look superior over the Galaxy S20 FE. So when it comes down to the build quality, I would lean a little bit towards the LG Velvet because it is absolutely gorgeous. It's a taller display, even though it's 6.8 inch. It's a taller display, but it does fit real good in the hand. It has a nice premium feel to it. I really do like the build quality of the LG Velvet. So build quality, yes, I would give it to the LG Velvet. Now let's talk about displays on both of these devices. Look, man, I'm not even gonna lie to you. When it comes down to displays, both of them is beautiful, but you got 120 hertz, baby, on the Galaxy S20 FE. So when it comes down to it, this is gonna be a better panel. Not only is it a better panel, Samsung panels just knock it out the park. Look, don't get me wrong, the LG panel looks absolutely gorgeous. I really do like the color representation on the LG device, but hands down, when it comes down to the display, you can't, LG just can't win in this one. You can't, I can't give it to LG on this one. So let's talk about the cameras on both of these devices. Look, the Galaxy S20 FE is a flagship true and true. Look, I've done camera reviews between both of these devices, and I'm gonna tell you, both of them look good, but the standout feature on the Galaxy S20 FE is this. It's just mind-blowing. I really do like the cameras on this device. And both of them have Pro mode. One of the advantages of the LG Velvet is the headphone jack, so you can connect external mics on the LG Velvet. But all in all, when it comes down to the overall quality, I would definitely give it to the Galaxy S20 FE because it's outstanding. So let's talk about performance on both of these devices. You got an 865 processor with 8 gigs of RAM. You got the 765G processor with 6 gigs of RAM. Look, when you talk about longevity with both of these devices, performance is very important. The Galaxy S20 FE It's updated to the latest and greatest Android 11, One UI 3.0, about to get One UI 3.1. It's the latest running software as far as with Android. The LG Velvet, look man, the LG Velvet has the 765G processor. It's no slouch. The problem is it's supporting software updates. Look, I haven't received software updates on this device since September of 2020. We are in February 2021, so I'm not getting no support from the LG Velvet right now. It's still stuck on Android 10. All right, so Android 10 with no support going on with this device right now. So I would definitely hand it to the Galaxy S20 FE when it comes down to future proof and performance. Okay, so let's talk about some special features with both of these devices. The LG Velvet has a nice feature. It has an optional dual display. Once you put it in, it gives you a great functionality that's like no other. I really do like the functionality on the LG Velvet because of the dual display. I've made a lot of videos about the dual displays on LG devices. LG knocked it out the park when it comes down to huge functionality, having an optional dual display. And not only that, you can use it as a case for full protection. What I like about this case versus the LG V60 case is that it's a plastic case versus the LG V60 was all glass. So if you drop this phone, you're well protected, and I like that. And you do have a lot of functionality with this device, especially when it comes down to using dual screens. The LG Velvet has pen support. Okay, so if you get the right pen, the bamboo stylus pen or whatever, you can use it with the LG Velvet. So that is a nice, good feature that this device has. So it does have pen support. It has an optional dual display and all the bells and whistles. Now, when it comes down to desktop mode, the desktop mode on this device is not that great. So I can't even call that a feature because it's not a good feature, and it's not something that I will call out to say, hey, the LG Velvet has a DeX-like feature. The desktop feature on this device is not that great. The Galaxy S20 FE. All right, the Galaxy S20 FE. Listen, man, I've made a video about using a pen on the Galaxy S20 FE. I have all my note functions using this pen on my Galaxy S20 FE. Now, of course, I don't have pressure sensitivity, palm rejection and stuff like that using this pen on this device. But yes, I do have pen support on the Galaxy S20 FE. I made a video about it, so check it out. But overall, this device has a lot of features that I like. We have DeX, we have wireless DeX, we got link to Windows with this device. So it has a lot of functionality that I like. Look, DeX alone makes this device a win for me because wireless DeX and DeX period is a desktop, full desktop to me, dream. So I like the desktop functionality on the Galaxy S20 FE. It's just outstanding. I mean, look, it's just outstanding. Okay, so let me give you my conclusion here on which device that I would recommend to anybody. If you're an LG fan, go ahead and pick up the LG Velvet. That's a no-brainer. If you are in the LG ecosystem and you like LG product, it's a no-brainer. Pick up the LG Velvet. But in this video, I'm going to pick the Galaxy S20 FE, and the reason why is because the Galaxy S20 FE has the specs, has the camera, it has the display to match. Not only that, but it's getting full support with 3 years worth of updates. So this device is definitely future-proof. When I mean future-proof, listen, man, this device will be good. Samsung is updating this device every month. Samsung is giving this device full TLC. Definitely the Galaxy S20 FE is definitely going to be my pick. Not only that, because of DeX, wireless DeX, link to Windows. These are business functions that I like. Also, the battery life. The battery life on this device is like the Energizer Bunny. It keeps going and going and going. So when it comes down to it, the Galaxy S20 FE is a better phone overall than the LG Velvet. So don't get me wrong, the LG Velvet is a wonderful phone. We got a beautiful display, a beautiful design. You got a headphone jack, an optional dual case. You got pen support. You got decent battery life. You got good cameras on here. But the reason why I would pick the Galaxy S20 FE is because of the higher processor for longevity, for future proofing, and plus the support. And for me, DeX. It's all about DeX, baby, with the Galaxy devices. I love DeX. Even though I'm a huge LG fan, I would definitely go with the Galaxy S20 FE. Listen, I'm not getting paid by Samsung. Y'all guys know that I'm an LG fan, but I call it how I see it. I'm just being real in this video. True and true, that's how I do it. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy S20 FE and the LG Velvet 5G. See you guys on the next video. Peace.